Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to temporarily delete your Instagram account or permanently delete it. So first thing, we need to press the three bars on the upper right. After that, press settings. So that'll take you to settings. Just click help and then help center. Now press the three bars on the upper right again. Press manage your account and then click delete your account. That'll take you to this page. Press delete your Instagram account and press temporarily delete your account in blue. And then press instagram.com in blue, it's highlighted. It'll take you to the .com version of Instagram. Press your profile on the bottom right and press edit profile. Then just scroll down and you should see an option that says temporarily deactivate my account. And then you just need to tell them why you're deactivating your account and put in your password and just press deactivate your account and that'll do it for you. So I'm just going to put my password in, and when I press temporarily deactivate account, it makes sure that I want to do it. So you can select yes or no. I'm going to leave it as it is, but if you press yes, that'll deactivate your account. And now on to the permanent deletion. So first thing, we need to press the three bars on the upper right and then press settings. Go to help, then press help center. That'll take you to the help center. Then you need to press the three bars on the upper right, then press manage your account, then press delete your account, and this time we're going to press temporarily deactivate your Instagram account instead of delete your Instagram account. I'm going to scroll down and press delete your Instagram account, highlighted in blue, and then switch it from Android app help to mobile browser help. Then scroll down. Then we need to press instagram.com from a mobile browser and then press delete your account. That's highlighted in blue. It's in the first line. Then we need to tell them why we want to delete our account, and we need to just put in our password, and when we press delete account, that'll delete our account. So that's it guys. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.